How to add students to your class on ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the class where you want to add students. Then tap on the Add Student button. Next, you have two options to add a student. You can add them individually by entering their names or by sending a unique class code to your student. The class code allows students to join the class themselves, making the process faster and easier, especially for larger classrooms. After adding your students, you will be able to track their behavior, assign points, monitor progress, and communicate with them and their parents directly through ClassDojo. Make sure to double-check that all students have joined and are visible in your class list. Now you know how to add students to your class on ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.